Before you go to sleep tonight, imagine applying something so simple that your body actually responds to it while you rest. This isn't a trend. This goes back thousands of years. In ancient Egypt, castor oil wasn't just used for skin. It was applied for eye irritation and even during labor. Now here's the interesting part. Modern science has started to explain why it may have worked. Castor oil contains a rare fatty acid called ricinoleic acid, and this molecule behaves differently from most oils your body comes into contact with. At night, your body naturally enters a repair phase known as nocturnal regeneration. During this time, your skin increases cell turnover, produces collagen, and repairs microscopic damage from the day. When you apply castor oil, it forms what we call an occlusive barrier. In simple terms, it locks moisture into your skin. But this is where it gets more interesting. This hydrated environment allows repair enzymes to function more efficiently. So your skin isn't just feeling softer, it may actually be repairing itself more effectively overnight. Now let's talk about inflammation. Ricinoleic acid interacts with prostaglandin pathways, which are chemical signals involved in inflammation. When these pathways are influenced, the body's inflammatory response can calm down. That's why some people notice reduced irritation, less tightness, and a more relaxed feeling in areas where the oil is applied. In simple words, it may help your body settle minor inflammation while you sleep. Another important effect is on circulation. Your body relies on blood flow to deliver oxygen and nutrients for repair. Ricinoleic acid has mild vasodilatory properties, meaning it helps small blood vessels relax. When that happens, microcirculation improves. So while your body is already repairing itself during sleep, improved blood flow may support that process more efficiently. It's like improving the supply system while maintenance is already in progress. There's also something happening that most people don't think about. While you sleep, your skin loses water, a process called transepidermal water loss. Over time, this can leave your skin dry and less resilient. Castor oil slows this process down by forming a protective lipid layer on the surface of the skin. So instead of waking up with dryness, your skin remains hydrated and better able to function as a protective barrier. And timing matters more than most people realize. At night, your skin becomes slightly more permeable, your body temperature increases, and your nervous system shifts into what we call a parasympathetic state, your natural healing mode. This means your body is more receptive to repair and recovery. Applying castor oil during this window allows it to work in sync with your body's natural rhythm. Now, this doesn't mean it's a miracle solution, and it won't work the same way for everyone. But when you understand the mechanism behind it, it stops being just a traditional remedy. It becomes a simple habit that works with your physiology. Now, if you're going to try this, keep it simple and intentional. Use a small amount, just a few drops are enough. Gently apply a thin layer on clean skin before bed, especially on areas like the face, dry patches, or even joints where stiffness is common. There's no need to overuse it. Your skin absorbs what it needs. For most people, using it a few nights per week is more than enough to observe how your body responds.